Today we shall study about adjective. What is adjective? The word that qualifies noun or pronoun, that is called adjective. Example: Rahul is a good boy. Here good is an adjective. Another example: Sheila is beautiful girl. Sheila is beautiful girl. Here beautiful is an adjective. Other examples: brave, smart, rich, obedient. Now types of adjective: proper adjective, qualitative, attributive adjective, quantitative adjective, numeral adjective, demonstrative adjective, distributive adjective, interrogative adjective, possessive adjective. Now proper adjective. It is derived from proper noun. Examples: the English language. The English language. Here the word in red color, that is example of proper adjective. The Indian Ocean. Again the word in red color, that is example of proper adjective. The Victorian attitude. The Victorian, that is the example of proper adjective. Qualitative or attributive adjective, that tells about quality of person or things. Now example: Rahul is a brave person. Here brave is an example of adjective, attributive or qualitative adjective. Another example: Sheila is a careful mother. Careful, that is an attributive or qualitative adjective. The numeral adjective, that tells number of person or things. It is divided into two parts: definite numerals, indefinite numerals. Definite numerals again divided into two parts: cardinals, ordinals, multiplicatives. Cardinals 1, 2, 3, and ordinals first, second, third. Multiplicatives single, double, triple. Indefinite numerals all, some, enough, none, many, few. So these are the examples of numeral adjectives. Demonstrative adjective. It refers to each one of a number. Example: each, every, either, neither. Used in sentence: every student is a winner. Every student is a winner. Other example: each man should be beautiful. Interrogative adjective, used to ask question. Example: whose, which, what. Now used in sentence: whose pen is this? Whose pen is this? Here whose is an example of adjective, interrogative adjective. What time do you wake up? What is an example of interrogative adjective. Possessive adjective, that shows possession. Example: my, our, your, his, her, its, their. Now use in sentence: this is my school. Here my is an example of possessive adjective. Again another sentence: that is our playground. Our is an example of possessive adjective. That we can study also in this form. Proper adjective, examples are given. You can study. Descriptive adjective, quantitative adjective, numeral adjective, demonstrative adjective, distributive adjective, interrogative adjective, and possessive adjective. Now adjectives can be studied in connection with degree of comparison. In degree of comparison there are 3 degrees: positive, comparative, and superlative. About positive degree, the adjectives in fundamental forms like tall, brave, high, great. Now comparative degree, adding er at the end of the word. Examples: taller, braver, higher, greater. The same superlative degree, adding est at the end of the word. Just example: tallest, bravest, highest, greatest. So these are the examples of positive degrees, comparative degree and superlative degree. Degrees of comparison we can study also in this table form. The words are given: positive degree, comparative degree, superlative degree. The words tall, high, wise, happy, is, hot, good, well, bad, little, much, many, old, beautiful, and their comparative forms and their superlative forms are also given. But you can see difference that adding er in positive form makes comparative and adding est in fundamental form that makes superlative. That is not universal rule, because there are so many other rules to make it comparative and superlative. You can see happy here, y is being omitted, and in comparative degree IER is being added. In superlative degree IEST is being added. Here in happy the last letter y is omitted. In the same way you can also see easy. If the word ends with y, it is omitted and at this place I is added. So it becomes IER in comparative and IEST in superlative. In hot you can see there is single T and here is double T in comparative and also in superlative. EST and ER as usual. The same also with thin. There is single N and here it becomes double N and here also it becomes double N. But there is unusual sequence in good and well. For good and well, that means almost the same forms are same, better and best. Here also bad, worse and worst. You can see the sequence, the rule of ER and EST is not applicable over here. The same thing also you will find little, less and least. Here many and much, they have the same comparative degree and superlative degree. Two forms of comparative degree, older and elder. Older and elder has the same word old, and oldest and eldest. Oldest and eldest in superlative degree. The word beautiful. To make it comparative we add more, and to make it superlative we add most. Now thank you very much.